In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing today. You're going to be surprised how easy it is. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I've successfully promoted everything from stand mixers to sound bars, web hosting, security cameras, and even online courses. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video if you want to learn real affiliate marketing tips and tricks. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. All right, so you want to get started with affiliate marketing today. We're going to erase all of the confusion and frustration and doubt, and we're going to make this painfully, obviously simple, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the last thing that you purchased. Again, this is going to be very basic, very introductory way to get started with affiliate marketing. Find the last thing that you purchased. Okay, for me, for this example, I purchased this Blackstone grill that you see on your screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to do Lowe's. I'm going to type in Lowe's affiliate program. Okay. And most likely you probably purchased something from Lowe's, Amazon, Best Buy. Most likely they have an affiliate program. All right, so we're going to click on Lowe's affiliate program and we are going to apply. We're going to go through the steps and apply. And if they ask for the type of medium or platform you're going to use, you're going to say YouTube. You're going to create YouTube videos. That's step one. Really simple, really, really easy. Step two is to do a simple unboxing video. If you haven't opened the product up just yet, perfect. Okay, if you have opened it up, you're going to do either a quick review or you're going to show yourself just using the product. For example, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to YouTube like this, and we're just going to paste in the name of the product, the entire name of the product, and we're going to hit enter. And when we do that, we're going to see that there are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views of people that are looking up the exact product. As you can see here, this top result, 17,000 views, 1 million views. That's from the actual manufacturer. 31,000 views. This person only has 873 subscribers. So what you're going to do is you are going to do a walkthrough. If you've already put the product together, if you've already opened the product, you can do a walkthrough and initial impressions. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to find related questions that people might be asking about the product. Again, if we look at this, these are teeny tiny channels that are getting lots of views. This one right here, 289 subscribers, 102,000 views of him just putting together the product. That's why we want to do an unboxing video, and then we would put our affiliate link in the description. And so now that we have a very basic idea of what we can do, now we can start thinking about other things that people might be interested in when it comes to the product that you just purchased. For example, I am going to type in something like how to cook pancakes on a griddle. Okay, we'll click that. And people are looking up how to cook pancakes on a griddle. Look at top result, 30,000 views, only 8,000 subscribers. Below that, 479,000 views. So people are asking how to cook pancakes on a griddle, but you can expand that to literally everything. And I'm going to show you on my screen. I've taken pictures of different things that I've cooked. I've only put it together, maybe I put it together on Saturday, today's Tuesday. I put it together on Sunday, today's Tuesday. I've only had it a couple days, and you can see that I've already cooked. I've done some searches, but you can see that this is a very easy and basic way to get started. It doesn't have to be overcomplicated. You don't have to try and, make this much more difficult than it is. It is literally figuring out what people are asking. Another thing that you can do is you can go to your search results. So if you're on Chrome, you're going to click the three dots up here and you're going to go down to history. And what you're going to do is take a look at the search results. Make sure your search results are safe for work. And you're going to go through and take a look and see things that you've asked about the product that you've looked up. Because most likely, if you've looked up this product, there have been hundreds of thousands, if not millions of searches for the exact same product. But you can see that this is a very simple way to get up and running with affiliate marketing. You are simply going to help solve problems. And in this instance, people are asking questions about this product. Another thing that you can do is you can compare this product to another griddle that's out there. So we could come back over to YouTube and we're going to paste in this like this. And then we could type in something like versus. And you can see that people are doing different comparisons. So let's do Traeger grill like that. And people are asking all sorts of questions about different types of grills. What we could do, this one's only a 5-minute video, 17,000 views. What we could do is we could do griddle versus grill. We're going to simply create content talking about the differences. Maybe you have both a griddle and a grill. You're standing in front of them and you're talking about the differences when it comes to cooking. So as you can see here, this is really simple, really easy, and it gets a lot of views. Okay, and so if we scroll down here, you can see only 8,000 subscribers. Once again, 59,000 views. If we look, 30,000 subscribers, 145,000 views. What is a griddle? Very simple. If people are asking what is a griddle, this is content that you can make. You can compare the Blackstone versus the Pit Boss. You can simply talk about why you chose to go with the Blackstone versus the Pit Boss. If we do Blackstone versus Pit Boss, you can see once again, or even Camp Chef. We'll try that one, but you can see 33,000 views, only 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so this is content that you could and should make if you were in my position. If you just purchased a griddle, if you just purchased this griddle, you want to do the name of the product versus a competitor, and you can see this gets thousands of views. Now, hopefully this guy put his affiliate link in the description. Probably didn't. He's missing out on tons of opportunities. You can also do something like best griddle for camping or for pancakes. You can see people are asking questions about the best for different situations. So best griddle for pancakes. Once again, you can see people are asking questions regarding to what they're interested in. 30,000 views, 8,000 subscribers. 5 best griddle for pancakes you can buy in 2021. Only has 53 views, but you can see it ranks up just below a video that has 120,000 views. You can see here that there is tons of opportunity, and it's just based on a product that you purchased. Now, let's say you are over on Amazon. Let me jump over to Amazon like this. And I was researching different cameras. I want a new camera because I feel like the camera that I have isn't great for doing YouTube videos. So I've been looking into different cameras. And questions that I've asked are best DSLR for, you can see people are asking questions about video, streaming, photography. YouTube videos is a question that I looked up, and you're going to see that people are answering this question. Now, this is a little bit more competitive because people understand that there is buyer's intent behind it, and cameras are a little bit more expensive. But in my opinion, if you have a grill, you recently purchased a grill, this is a really good opportunity to get your affiliate links out there and help people. But you can see here, there is lots of opportunity for best camera for YouTube videos. We can also do something like, if we look over on Amazon, we can compare this one to other versions. So we can do that, versus like that. And once again, people are making simple comparisons. Now, you don't have to be an expert in the Nikon. You can simply talk about the specs, the differences. Maybe there's a significant weight difference. You can talk about your experiences with the previous camera and why the Nikon might not be great for you. You can talk about the pricing. In most instances, a lot of these guys don't actually have the products in their hand. They're simply doing the research, and they're helping you determine which one is right for you. Look at this one, 11,000 views, 579 subscribers, a 5-minute video. And it looks like, if we open this up, make sure we're muted here, it looks like that they don't have either camera. They've just done the keyword research, and they figured out that people are interested in learning the differences between the two. If they were smart, they would put their affiliate links to Amazon. They did not. If they were smart, they would put their affiliate links to Amazon, and they could potentially make money. You see 11,000 views for a 5-minute video. And let's just fast forward through here. You can see they don't have the camera. What they've done is they could do something like a Canva video. Okay, you could do all of this on Canva for free. You grab an image of the Nikon, grab an image of the Canon, and you can just do this. I don't even know if they're speaking, but you can see that there's an opportunity. Another thing that you can do is you can talk about the best accessories. So if we copy the name of the product once again, we can do Blackstone flat top grill accessories, or just griddle accessories in general. which you can see here, 7 flat top grill must-haves, 221,000 views, 23,000 subscribers. Look at the one below it. Blackstone, what accessories do I need? 99,000 views, 3,000 subscribers. It doesn't get much easier than this, guys. If you are looking to get started with affiliate marketing today, grab a product that you've purchased, grab a product that's coming in the mail, that's going to be delivered today from Amazon, grab a product that you need, and you can simply just do review videos and provide helpful content to help teach someone something. Now, again, you don't have to be an expert in the product or service that you're talking about. You just need to be 1 or 2 steps ahead of the person that is looking for information, because in their mind, you're going to be that subject matter expert. Believe it or not, it is as simple as that. So once again, I'm just going to run through the steps real quick just so that you remember. Find a product that you purchased in the last 3 or 4 days. For me, it was this griddle. You're simply going to, if you haven't already unboxed it, you are going to record yourself unboxing this video. Of course, you're going to apply to be an affiliate for this affiliate program. For this one, it was Lowe's. And you are going to record yourself doing an unboxing. You're going to record yourself doing an initial impression. And you can see here that this would work for you. This would work perfectly for this griddle. You're going to provide an initial review. These are all things that people are searching. They want to know, they want to make sure that they are buying the right thing for their needs. They're going to look up a bunch of different reviews before making a purchase, because they want to ensure that this is the right product for them. You can also do comparisons, so Blackstone versus the top competitors. You can also look up different accessories. These are all different ways that you can make money with a recent purchase. So turn whatever you just spent money on, turn that into an asset that will help make you money again and again and again. And you could do this with all sorts of products and services. It can be large, it can be small, as long as it's something that people are interested in. This griddle actually works out pretty nice because you can see it's a relatively expensive product. And if we just took, let's say we found one over on Amazon, $4.99 times 3%, that's $14.97 per sale. And if you wanted to make $100 per day, what do you need? 6 sales, something like that. 100 divided by 14.97. Whoops, 14.97. Yeah, you would need about 6 or 7 sales per day to make $100 per day. So is that improbable? No, that's something that you would build up to. But the only way that you can build up to that is you start creating content, whether it's on YouTube. You could do the same thing with TikTok or Instagram Reels, Facebook, YouTube Shorts. You could do this with any platform out there, because all platforms are now accepting video content. So this will work for any platform. I just use YouTube because we're here on YouTube and you understand the power of YouTube. Now that you know how to get started today with affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook is going to teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.